Are you serious right now, bro?
Yes.
Shut the fuck up! Cristiano Ronaldo, Siuuu. Simple as that, bro. Yo, chat, why this game so fun, chat? Guess what?
What's up?
Guess what?
What?
I'm gay!
BuyVoicey.network.
Please, Speed, I need this. My mom is kind of homeless. I live with my dad. I want to help her out.
Chica, I miss you. I'm about to fuck you, Chica. Oh shit, it's dick up in you, baby.
What happened to you?
Oh my god.
You look awful.
Oh my god. Minggir LU Miskinnnn. Minggir LU Miskinnnn. Satay.
The way you move, the way you feel.
One kiss is all it takes.
Falling in love with me.
Fucking shit.
I think you have seen nothing. There's a way to
I'm gay! I'm gay! I'm down fucking!
you know I'm bad. I'm bad.
Shut the fuck up! Shut the fuck up! Shut the fuck up! I'm tired of your Shut the fuck up! You're gonna die! You're about to die! You're gonna die! Cristiano Ronaldo, Siuuu. Man, shut your bitch ass up! Eu falo português! Eu sou de Portugal! Preto macaco! Yeah! Who the fuck is Gigganigga? What the fuck? I think I'm bad! No! No! Googity.
Yo, Dad, the day I saw the video of your dingaling.
It changed my mindset of my dingaling. So I am now in competition with you to make my dingaling bigger than yours. And when I make it bigger than yours, I am going to rape you.
Y'all know, hold on, wait, y'all know, Googity. Shut the fuck up!
Screaming in public restrooms, please.
Damn, bitch! Damn! Alright! Calm down, Playboy! Calm down! Okay! My fucking eye, man! Why, bro? What am I doing wrong? I will be Hokage one day. Skip. But when does this game get fucking good? God
Obviously, you
damn!
don't know how to play the fucking game. You
What?
suck ass.
What, bitch? Bitch? Is a bitch talking to me? Is a female talking to me? Am I no? Am I tripping? Am I tripping? Oh, wait, time out. Is a female talking to me right now? Is a fucking female talking to me? Get off the fucking game and do your husband dishes, bitch. Ay. It's me, Mario. No way, there's no way. Say you swear to God. Put that on Allah. Put that on Allah. Say Wallahi, bro. Say Wallahi. Say you swear to God that just happened. I just spent $200,000. But somebody just stole my shit! Hey, can I get $1? Just give me $1. That's all I need. All I need is $1. Can I get $1, please? Fuck all of y'all. Y'all smell like fucking dick. Fuck all of y'all. I'm gonna put your ass out like all of y'all. Think it's speed game, bitch. Fucking all of y'all. Fuck y'all. Fuck this. Fuck that. Fuck my tag. Y'all smell like that. Y'all niggas eat hollow tat. Oh my mama, how you day? Fuck everybody. I'm saying. And if you call me fucking freak, I would never be so gay. Okay, do it. Suck my dick. Suck it.